Hey guys, welcome back. This is Bernardo from the BTNHD, and today is all about installing VMware PowerCLI. So let's get started. So first things first, I'm going to right click on my start menu, click on run, type in WinVER, and then click OK. And I'm running everything within a Windows 10 version 1903. Now we're going to click on start, and I'm going to start typing Windows PowerShell ISE, and I'm going to right click on it, run as an administrator. You're going to get the user account control, click on yes, and then once it loads up, the first command that I'm going to run is a $PS version table, and then I'm going to run it, and it's going to tell you your PowerShell version. Now for this to work out, you got to make sure that your PowerShell version is 5.0 and up. For me, I have 5.1, so I'm good to go. Now the next command that we need to run is to install the VMware PowerCLI. And we need to do the following: install module with a -name VMware.PowerCLI with a parameter of allow cobbler, and we need to run that command. Once you run that command, you're going to get the following dialog box: pick your answer. Because I'm doing everything within a testing environment, I just went for it and did yes to all, and it's going to start installing the packet. Once that's done, we need to run another commandlet. And that commandlet would be set-PowerCLI configuration with a parameter of invalid certificate action and ignore. Run that commandlet. Again, you're going to get another dialog box, pick your answer. Because I'm doing everything within a testing environment, I just pick yes to all, and boom, good to go. Now that VMware PowerCLI is configured and I have my commandlets installed within my Windows 10 machine, I am able to do the following commandlet, and that's connect-vi server with -server, my server name or your IP address, right? The username and password. And when you run this command, you're going to get this: establish connection. Awesome, good to go. And that allows you to do this command, which is a very simple one, is get VM. When you run the commandlet, it's going to give you a list of all your virtual machines and which ones are turned on, the CPU, and all that good stuff. This right here basically tells me that my PowerCLI commandlets are uploaded successfully. I'm able to establish a connection to my vSphere, and I'm able to do everything using VMware PowerCLI, which is pretty exciting. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Leave comments right below. Make sure to hit that thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.